Do your agoraphobia symptoms keep you from working? And are you entitled to your ERISA disability benefits? Hey, I'm Nancy Cavey. I'm a national ERISA disability attorney, and I represent people all across the United States who have agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is an anxiety disorder which is a fear of avoidance of places or situations, generally public, that can cause panic, feelings of being trapped, feelings of helplessness, feelings of embarrassment. And agoraphobia will often develop after an initial panic attack, and then you have this exacerbation and worrying about having another, and this cycle creates, and this can become overwhelming to the point where you feel like you can't go out in public without family or friends, or you feel like you can't even go out of your home because you don't feel safe. You might be entitled to your ERISA disability benefits as a result of agoraphobia. And that's important for you to understand because these symptoms can be devastating. You feel like you are housebound, you're unable to visit family or friends, you can't go to work, you can't run errands, you may have even difficulty going to see a physician. Now, before you stop work and apply for your ERISA disability benefits, it's really crucial that you get out your disability insurance policy or plan and read it cover to cover. You need to understand first the definition of disability and secondly the definition of occupation. You need to be unable to do generally the material and substantial duties of your occupation, but you need to understand obviously those definitions as contained in your particular policy because there's no uniform definition of disability or occupation. But more importantly, you need to understand that there is most likely a mental nervous condition policy limitation in your policy or plan that says your benefits are limited to just 2 years if your disability is caused by a condition like agoraphobia. Now, there are other versions of this mental nervous policy limitation or plan limitation that say your benefits are limited to just 2 years if your disability is caused or contributed to as a result of agoraphobia. Now, that's important because you might have a physical condition that keeps you from being disabled, but if your agoraphobia contributes just that little bit to your disability under this broader mental nervous policy limitation, you're still limited to just 2 years. You also obviously need to understand what's in your medical records. Does your doctor support your claim? Are they willing to fill out carrier forms called attending physician statement forms? So before you stop work and apply for your benefits, please get a copy of your policy and read it cover to cover. If you have any questions, give us a call at 727-894-3188. And of course, I've written a go-to guide for people who have agoraphobia, so they learn more about their disability claims. You can get a copy of that by clicking below. Thanks.